Okay, so let's check your work. I hope you get it correct. So we have here y equals to 2 over 5x minus 2. So again, first step, give at least 3 points whose coordinates are solutions of the equation. Choose the values of x that are multiples of the denominator. Since our denominator is 5, we can have 5 or negative 5 and 10 or negative 10 or 15 or negative 15. We can even have 0 as your values of x. Now let's check. If you give 5 as the first values of x, we have here x is equals to 5. Again, you will substitute the values of your x in this equation. So y 2 over 5. Your x now becomes 5 minus 2. So, madali na lang siya i-solve. And then, y is equals to 2 times 5. You have 10 over 5 minus 2. Y is equals to 10 divided by 5. That is 2 minus 2. So, you have the final answer for your y value, which is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, if your x is 5, after substituting the value of x of your into your equation, you will come up with a y value which is 0. Next, what if your x is negative 5? We have here, same process, y is equals to 2 over 5. Your x becomes negative 5 minus 2. Y is equals to 2 times negative 5, that is negative 10 over 5 minus 2. So y is equals to negative 10 divided by 5, that is negative 2 minus 2. Y is equals to like sign, so you add, that is 4, and copy their sign, which is negative, so we have negative 4. Now what if your x is 0? X is equals to 0. Now let's see. Y is equals to 2 over 5 times 0 minus 2. Y is equals to 2 times 0, that is 0 over 5 minus 2. Y is equals to 0 divided by 5, that is 0 minus 2. So y is equals to negative 2. Now, at least we have 3 already. We have 3x. We also have 3 values of y. Now, let's put this into our table. So, if your x is 5, we will have the y as your 0. So, therefore, you will have the ordered pair 5 and 0. Next, if your x is a negative 5, after solving, we come up with a negative 4. So we have negative 5 and negative 4. Next, if your x is 0, your y is negative 2. So we have negative 5, 0 rather, I'm sorry. Erase natin yan. Erase. So your x here is 0 and your y is negative 2. Now, let's put this into our Cartesian plane. Now, first ordered pair, we have 5 and 0. So, we have 5 as your x. So, this is your x. This is the x. And your y is 0. So, we will put the point within the line. So, this is an x-intercept. So, that is 5 and 0. Next ordered pair, if your x is a negative 5, ito, and your y is negative, negative 4. So this is the third point. So your x is negative 5 and your y is negative 4. A third quadrant. Lastly, if your x value is 0, it's in the origin, your y is negative 2. Yan. So, within the y-axis, so this is a y-intercept, so this is 0 and negative 2. Now, after plotting the points, you now draw a straight line. Make sure those points are within the line, or you can form a straight line. Now, as you can see, class, dito, extended ang inyong line. Tama? Ibig sabihin, you can have any values of x as long as ang inyong point, for example, dito, mag-match siya or within the grid siya ng inyong line. Now, what if negative 10 ang inyong x? So, tignan natin kung tatama ba siya sa grid. Ayan, dito. So, ano magiging value ng inyong y? We have negative 6. So, pwede ka pa mag-add. What if 12? Pwede ba? Pwede siya, pero hindi siya magtama dun, exactly dun sa line na mag-match or mag-align sa whole number ng inyong y-axis. So, that's why gagamitin natin ang divisible by 5. So, pwedeng ito, negative 5, negative 10, negative 15. So, same as the right side, which are positive numbers. Okay, so I hope you got it correct. If you have clarifications, you can contact me, message me in my account.